Stop. Don't describe everything. Describe the process. What is a process diagram? Unlike graphs and charts, a process diagram doesn't contain numbers. There are no percentages, no increases, no decreases. Instead, you're explaining how something happens. There are two main types. The first is a man-made process. For example, making bricks, recycling paper, producing cement, manufacturing chocolate. These usually use machines in factories. The second is a natural process. For example, the water cycle, photosynthesis, the life cycle of a butterfly, how rain forms. The good news? The structure is exactly the same. The four-paragraph structure. This is the structure I recommend to every one of my IELTS students. Paragraph 1, Introduction. Just paraphrase the question, don't explain anything. Example, the diagram illustrates the process of manufacturing bricks for the construction industry. Done. One sentence. Paragraph 2, Overview. This is the paragraph many students forget. The overview tells the examiner that you understand the whole process. You should answer 4 simple questions. Where does it begin? Where does it end? How many stages are there? Is it natural or man-made? For example, overall, the process consists of 8 stages, beginning with the extraction of clay and ending with the delivery of finished bricks. It is a linear, man-made process. Notice something. There are no details, no temperatures, no measurements, just the big picture. The detailed paragraphs. Now let's explain the process. I recommend splitting it into 2 parts. Paragraph 3, describe the first half. Paragraph 4, describe the second half. Never jump backwards. Always follow the arrows. Imagine you're telling someone a story. This happens, then this, after that, finally, simply. The best linking words. You don't need complicated vocabulary. Simple sequencing words are enough. Initially, first, next, then, following this, subsequently, afterwards, eventually, finally. These words help your writing flow naturally. The grammar secret. Here's one of the biggest Band 7 secrets. Most process diagrams use the passive voice. Why? Because we care about what happens, not who does it. Look at the difference. Workers heat the bricks. That's active. Instead say, the bricks are heated. Much better. Another example. The clay is extracted. The mixture is poured into molds. The finished product is packaged. Notice the pattern. Subject plus be plus past participle. Some common mistakes. I see these mistakes every year. No overview. Using bullet points. Describing every tiny detail. Jumping between stages. Forgetting linking words. Writing only 2 paragraphs. Using the wrong tense. Writing opinions. Remember, this isn't an opinion essay. Simply explain what you see. So next time you see a process diagram, don't panic. Remember this formula. Introduction, overview, first half, second half. That's it. Master this structure, and you'll already be writing in a way the examiner expects. If this video helped you, leave a comment below telling me which IELTS Writing Task 1 question you'd like me to cover next. And if you're serious about getting a Band 7 or higher, make sure you subscribe to IELTS with Ferhan, because every week I'll show you practical strategies that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.